Hello everybody, welcome back to our instructional series here at the Vail Golf Club. My name is Nathan, I'm the head pro here. Today we're going to talk about how to fix our ball marks, which is a very important part of keeping care of our golf course. So when we hit a golf shot, it comes in, it makes an indent, and we know that we want the greens to be smooth. So we're going to take that indent and we're going to fix it. How we do that properly is we don't want to pick the divot up. People kind of think, hey, I can get this divot repair tool and I can pick up the grass under it. That actually pulls the roots out and actually damages the plant, damages the grass. So instead we want to push everything to the middle and then we smooth it out with our putter. So don't pick it up, push it to the middle, fill that hole that we created, and then we're going to be all set and we're going to keep the course great for everybody else to enjoy as well. So thanks for joining us and we'll see you next time.